I'm gonna bring you along my morning skincare routine. I've been washing my face with this in the mornings recently because I've been breaking out really bad and I've been really liking it. I'm just going to pat my face until it's a little damp, and then I'm gonna go straight in with this vitamin C like toner. It's called Brightening Treatment Essence. It's by Laneige, and I'm trying this because, excuse me, I'm trying this because I've tried a bunch of vitamin C's and I've hated everything about them. I've hated the texture and the smell, and I just haven't found one that I love. While it's kind of setting in, I'll go in with this hyaluronic acid. Sometimes I find that I have to wait for a product to set in before the next, but not with these. This one works for my skin, so. I like for my skin to be a little damp before I put the next product on. I just feel that it absorbs into my skin better. My moisturizer, I think I've bought like 4 of these already in the big size. Like, I absolutely love this. I recommend this to anybody and everybody, especially if you have dry skin or especially if you have sensitive skin. My sister has eczema and I keep telling her she needs to get this moisturizer because I swear it's like the best. I'm gonna go in with my sunscreen. I use about that much. That seems to spread enough for my face and my neck and a little bit of my chest. Sorry if you can hear my kids screaming in the background. They're fine. They're just playing, just being very loud. I like to pat that in my lips and like under my eyes. And that's everything I put on my face. And then I use this every morning and every night. I absolutely love this stuff. I've like always had the driest lips, but ever since, I get fancy with it too, but ever since I've used this, I swear I never have to worry about my lips being like dry. Only when I don't use it, they're dry. They're screaming. It's barking over a toy. It just feels so amazing. I love that stuff. That is my morning skincare routine. I also love to top off with my favorite perfume for the day. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get my day started and go check on my kids. Wash this makeup off and go to bed. So I'm gonna use the same cleanser I did this morning, and I'll actually be doing a double cleanse. I'll be using this one after because I have makeup on. I'm gonna go ahead and do a second cleanse. I normally do this with a cleanser instead of a lotion because I tend to break out a little bit, and I feel like this just works better for my acne prone skin. So tonight is a retinol night, so I'm gonna go in with my retinol. I use this on Fridays. I actually really love this retinol. I just got done using the tester of it, and I love it so much, so I bought myself a full size, and I love it because it's so gentle. I just feel like a lot of retinols I have tried, they burn and they make me peel, break out, and just get really red. This one has not done that. I love it so much. And then I'll go in with my moisturizer. And then of course I'm going to finish with my laneige mask.